Hello guys, welcome back to Bainey Studio. Today we will discuss some facts about python. Known as the reticulated python, scientific name Python reticulatus, is a species of snake native to Southeast Asia. Here are some interesting facts about them. Fact number 1. Largest snake species. The reticulated python holds the title of the longest snake in the world, with some individuals reaching lengths of over 30 feet 9 meters. Number 2. Constrictor. Python is a non-venomous constrictor, meaning it kills its prey by wrapping around it and squeezing tightly until the animal suffocates. Number 3. Native habitat. They are commonly found in rainforests and along rivers and lakes in Southeast Asia, including countries like Indonesia, Malaysia, and the Philippines. Number 4. Diet. Their diet primarily consists of mammals. They are capable of eating large prey, including deer and sometimes pigs, even smaller crocodiles. Number 5. Appearance. They are known for their intricate pattern of scales, which is where they get the name reticulated. Their colors can vary, but they typically have a mix of yellows, browns, and blacks. Number 6. Behavior. These snakes are generally solitary and are known to be both tree-dwelling and terrestrial. They are often active at night, nocturnal. Number 7. Reproduction. Female reticulated pythons lay 10 to 80 eggs, depending on their size, and incubate them by coiling around them to keep them warm. Number 8. Lifespan. In captivity, reticulated pythons can live up to 25 years or more, though their lifespan in the wild is often shorter due to predators and other environmental factors. Number 9. Danger to humans. Although they are capable of taking down fatal attacks on humans are extremely rare. However, the size and strength of these snakes make them capable of seriously injuring or even killing if threatened. Number 10. World record. The longest reticulated python ever recorded was 32 feet 9.5 inches, 10 meters long, found in the Philippines in 1912. This record still stands today. Number 11. Incredible swimmers. Reticulated pythons are excellent swimmers and can even hunt in water. They are known to dive and remain submerged for long periods, using their ability to move silently through aquatic environments. That is 11 fascinating facts about python, guys. Question is, any python in your place? Thank you for watching, guys. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.